Hello guys, Mehul back in with another new video, and today I'm gonna show you a tool that I personally use a lot. So this is a tool which gives you a instant link, okay, instant like random link and an interface to first of all pass on what medias between devices, okay, and also give you a message platform, okay, but it is restricted to that link only, okay. So I would like it is easy to share you and like show you its functionality rather than talking about it. So I will obviously show it to you, but before that, where I use it, because that's the most deserving point of this video, like why you should use it or where you can use it. So basically, obviously I am in college right now, and whenever I use college computers, I don't log into it, any one of them, okay. So I'm really like hyper secure about my privacy, so I never log into any account in any public computer. That's one thing. But to like even I don't even like scan WhatsApp and like start doing WhatsApping people, or scan Telegram and like start doing it from the browser as well, because I actually don't prefer to give any of my credentials in any of my not mine, any of public computers, okay, like not even in incognito mode. That's something I do. So in that case, whenever you need something from the device and you don't have any USB, what you can simply do is and right now I am having a USB which is having micro USB to USB A, and my phone is USB-C. So there's another physical hardware limit, okay. So what I do, I start a session of it and easily share whenever I'm sharing like piece of code or something text. I share it using the message section, or if I have to share a file, obviously I like share it within it, okay. So let me share the platform with you so we will understand how it works and how you can use it, okay. So here is our today's website, that is drop.lol, and it doesn't have any landing page. It directly creates a link for you, as you can see the link code over here. And the most like like most wonderful thing about it, it is open source. It's totally open source. As you can see, you can see the front end and back end over here, okay. And you can simply click on continue to continue on with the session. So let me click on continue, and here I have my second laptop, and I will like go to the same link over here. Wait, drop.lol slash the code e a b p j, okay. So I am into it right now, and as you can see, as I have entered, it already showed me another device, okay. And if I suppose like wait, let me send a message from this device, so you will get it. See, you got the message, and I send it from this device. So in this way you can easily copy it from here, and here is the QR code. You can scan the QR code. I generally, what I do is scan the QR code from my mobile and visit the link in my mobile to exchange between it, and you can simply copy it and share it. Though it doesn't make sense if you have the internet connection to, not internet, if you have any session to log in, or like in any of the interfaces you have logged in already, why would you send it without right without uh, like within this process, like that doesn't make sense privacy wise though. But there can be a useful case for it, like if you just want to send this link to someone and tell him to upload something over here. You can do that, though I don't think that is also viable, because you can do it in your own WhatsApp chats or Telegram chats as well, so that doesn't make sense. So I don't know why, but it is convenient. Yes, it is obviously convenient. Now, here is another thing: to connect to your network and start copying files, scan the QR below, or like open the URL, or you have a dedicated CLI tool in your NPM as well. So that is something I would say that they have like kept using in mind to do that, like kept user journey, like basically as it's developed for maybe developers, so they have kept this. So I am liking this. Now let's share something actually. Okay, so let's pick up something and try to share it using it. Though I would say always try to share smaller files, because that does make sense. Otherwise, like that would take, like if you share something very big, like a big video file, that would take a lot of time. Okay, so I would not suggest that, to be honest. But you can do that if you have like patience, you can do that as well. So let me share a photo of yesterday's of our events. Okay, yesterday I had event. I have We have actually, we have organized an event for our passing out batch. We have thrown them farewell. So let's have a picture from that. Okay. Wait. So here's the picture. Let me share it in the browser. Okay, I'm sharing it. I got it. Okay, open. Right now it is transferring, and you can see we already have it over here. Okay, and I can click on accept. It will start accepting the file. How easy it is, right? Like literally, it's seriously great. To wait, what's the file now? Send it, right? And you can send a file from this device as well, just clicking on this. Though let me see where the file is right now. Wait, where the file is. Accept all. Okay, so there is this glitch. I accepted that one, and I don't know why it didn't download it, but it is downloaded now. I can re-download it again. Okay, now it is downloading. So yeah, here is a little bit of glitch. I didn't expected that, but all in all, if you have accepted every one of them, it will be like ready to go, right? Okay. So yeah, that's basically it for this site. There's nothing else. Here's the privacy policy, you can read, go through it. Here's the terms and condition, you can go through it as well. And here you can go to the GitHub link of it. Okay, so you can simply like visit it and obviously contribute to it, as well as it's uh, open source project. So obviously it would be appreciated if you start contributing on it. So yeah, that's basically about it. Let me know if you're gonna use it or not, because I'm using it like, this is not like that I'm featuring a product that I'm not using. I'm literally using it. Okay, so this is really helpful for me. And rather than that, if you know some of the awesome websites like this, which really solves a bigger problem in a simpler way, okay, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. And rather than that, if you like this video or like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and comment down below. Help me to boost up the YouTube channel. Okay, so bye for now.